Hi everyone, welcome to another drawing session. This is part 7 of school supplies drawing series. In this video we are going to draw a ruler. So let's start. I draw this with black color marker pen. You can use a pencil, and here I use a ruler for draw the ruler like this, two lines, and match them in the corners like this, and here also. And here I add the small lines and match them like this, and in this place also here I match them. After that I use a pencil to mark few lines. With it I can easily draw the lines with marker pen, because with marker pen I can't erase my mistakes, so I use a pencil to mark them firstly. And here I draw few lines with that marks somewhat long lines, and after that I add short lines between two of them like this, and the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we finish our ruler drawing. Let's color it. I normally use color pencils. You can use pastel also, but with pastel it may be somewhat messy. Here firstly I use purple color for these lines as a deep layer. In here firstly I use red color in these lines as a deep layer. You can only use red color all over the ruler. I normally use few colors for my coloring. With few colors your art will be so much beautiful. So let's color it. And after that I add pink color after the red color like this. This one also deep layer to light layer. You can use yellow color for this place. In this corner also I use pink color, deep layer to light layer. Somewhat in middle point I save small spots, and I add white color in this place. Don't think about numbers. Let's draw the numbers again after we color the ruler like this. So we finish our ruler. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for being with me.